Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy.
I'm Carrie.
And today we're going to be filming a really cute but really effortless, simple hairstyle. It is a double fan bun. We already have a tutorial on a fan bun on our channel, so we thought we'd take it to the next step and do a double fan bun. But it's super cute, super simple. In less than 3 minutes, you can have this completely finished from hair down to finished style, and it's a great one for school and for work. It's really versatile, so I hope you enjoy. If you do, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so I've just started this look by placing her hair in a high ponytail at the crown of her head, and you can do this look with one elastic if your hair is not really thick and heavy, but her hair is. It's thick and coarse and heavy, so we're going to use another elastic for extra security. So I'm just going to take this elastic, wrap it around once, twice, and then on the third tie, when the hair tie is getting a little tight, I'm going to pull just about half of her hair through. And that's going to make your first fan. Excuse me. Now these ends, I'm just going to wrap them up and stick them through this elastic. And fan that out. Now I'm going to use bobby pins to shape it and secure it to her head the way we like it, the way we want it. But this is your basic shape here. Now I'm going to grab a few bobby pins. I'm going to take the bobby pins and secure it to the head the way I want it to lay. I'm talking with bobby pins in my mouth. That's why I sound funny. So, in case you were wondering. Okay, so now we've bobby pinned it in place the way we like it, and that's the finished look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Cute, fun, simple. It looks like you put a lot of effort into your hair, and it really only took you a couple of minutes. If you like this style, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. And hit the notification bell beside of the subscribe button so you get notified when we upload more cute, fun hairstyle tutorials in the future. We do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So that's it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.